bahasa.
In the abstract, it was explained that the purpose of this mixed method study was to understand the issue and challenge of language teachers when using ICT to teach English to students in Vietnam. Data collected from survey, observation, and reflection notes were analyzed using activity theory as a framework to unpack the process, tension, and complexities involved when teachers use technology to mediate the teaching and learning of English their school. The result indicated to that teaching English in Vietnam using ICT had a variety of issues and challenges. Consequently, relevant stakeholders such as Ministry of Education and Training of Vietnam or MOET, relevant authorities, the rector of the school, and language teachers themselves can consider concrete mitigating steps to overcome those issues and challenges. His background is ICT is touted as an essential tool in the making of knowledge society in Vietnam. A developing country in Southeast Asia, ICT in education has generated a lot of attention. However, similar to situation in other countries, the level of ICT integration in education in Vietnam is still low, and this applies to ICT application in foreign language education in Vietnam too. In the context of teaching and learning of English in Vietnam, results garnered on English language achievement have not been encouraging. In such a situation, effectively integrating ICT into teaching English may be a good solution to this problem. Although ICT integration is thought to be an advantage to address this, there are a variety of difficulties in the process of ICT application in teaching.
Activity theory, an overview of the theory. Review of the theory used in the context of technology use. Activity theory allows use to move away from a technocentric prospect or from the computer as the local point to understanding technology as a part of the larger scope of human activities. From an activity theory perspective, Bannon and Kapelian 2000 suggest that the computer is simply another tool mediating the interaction of humans with their environment in the time of education. Activity theory can facilitate understanding of how technology advance, influence, change. Gilliam, Guy, and Bennington 2001 at the idea that activity theory helps draw attention to the dialectical process by which consciousness learning and develop simultaneously an area set by technology. In the field of ICT and in context of use, the lens of activity theory provides insight into change in teacher practice or into how their technique is reducible. 2004 when a new technological tool become part of their training activity. According to Lim and Hang, besides activity theory also support a focus on multiple interacting activity system. Lim and Hang 2003, Vincent et al. 2008. Lim and Hang 2003 found that the effective interaction of technology requires a focus on activity system. Research questions were used to guide this study. 1. What are the issues and challenges faced by Vietnamese teachers while using ICT in their teaching English? 2. What are the suggestions given by the teacher to overcome this issue and challenge?
Method. The methodology used for this study is a case study with appropriate thorough description of real-life situation. In a case study, the researchers seek to develop an in-depth understanding of the case by collection multiple form of data. In this study, data were collected from multiple sources via observation, surveys, and reflection notes. Observation and surveys reviewed opportunities to be student teacher respond. Will reflection notes represent a good source of textual data with the participants usually give full attention to. This study is targeted at stream 3 where English is first introduced to the national curriculum. At grade 3, students begin to learn of origin, language with a talented time of 4 period 35 minutes as period per week. In total, students learn of origin language for 3 years, from grade 3 to grade 5. During the researchers used a checklist and took great notes of the teaching and learning process, paying close attention to how technology was integrated in the lesson plan, the teaching process, and assessment.
Conclusion: this study was initiated to better understand the issue and challenge in using ICT in Vietnam school. Activity theory was employed as the heuristic to help unpack and unravel the complexities therein. In doing so, there are a number of limitations that have to be acknowledged. First, the sample was small, due to the fact that schools in the 4 provinces only have a limited number English teachers. Second, the study only focused the primary school. Hence, the findings were limited in scope. Thus, it can be concluded that every component in the system is vital and should be carefully considered for the enhancement of ICT used in the teaching of English in Vietnam school.